Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a LEGO review of LEGO Friends SET41086 from 2015 to 2016, and it is the vet clinic ambulance. As you can see, you get this beautiful jungle piece with a hedgehog and also the beautiful vet clinic ambulance, and the character you get is Emma. And also at the back of the vet clinic ambulance is a small stretcher for the animals and a milk bottle for the animals. See? And I bought this in 2015 at Toys R Us in Port Elizabeth, South Africa. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment in the comment box below. If toy companies want to contact me for future sponsorships, my email is in a link in the description box below. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.